Oh yeah, let's jump. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah,
Loose it up. Loose it up. Okay. I think you are just ready.
That's why I have you, because I'm stuck as I've just been doing everything over and over again the same way for so many years. I'm not getting help that I need to get things sorted and decluttered and organized. I needed to just go through everything completely and say what is working for me now, what isn't. And I've never, I mean, I can organize to a point, but that's kind of where it's always gotten. I get to a point and then that's it.
Well, let's get you unstuck.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Let's jump. Okay. We just jump. Loose it up. Loose it up. Loose it up.
This is probably the most nerve-wracking room.
Yeah.
It's also exciting.
I know, it's nerve-wracking, it's exciting.
Are you ready to go through it? Awesome. Let's do it. Okay.
It just feels so good. It really is, it helps with my mental health so much. This is so cool. Hanger. I mean, what else do you have in your bedroom is hangers?
Yeah.
Gone.
Sorry.
And gone. It's a lot of weight off your shoulders to let go of, to have a space that you feel comfortable and you go home and relax in, but also if you need to get busy, you know where things are. You don't have to be always stumbling over things and saying, oh, I've got to get to this, I've got to get to that, you know.
Well, thank you very much, Judie.
You're welcome. Thank you.